Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back to the Camping Family channel. It is 2025, time to get this camping season going. Today is March 10th. March 10th, sun's out. This is the first week we've actually got weather up mid 60s. It's gone from 30s, 20s, right up to the 60s. It's gonna be a nice week, so I figured today was a good day to come out, open up the camper, and just get some fresh air in here. Maybe start thinking about doing some projects, maybe this week. So opened everything up. It's been winterized. We've only been out here a couple of times in the last couple months, so it was nice to come out, get everything opened up, get some sunlight in here, open up the windows, start thinking about some projects. How's everybody else out there doing, getting ready for your upcoming season? I need to make a list of everything I'd like to get done before we go camping, which is actually slated. I got my first outing next month, March. All the water's still shut off around here in Northeast Ohio, so mid-April places start to turn underwater. But lots of things planned. One big project I would like to do, I kind of talked myself into it the last couple weeks, is swapping out this refrigerator. So this is a Dometic Americana, and it works. It doesn't seem to be getting as cold as it should. I mean, we've had a thermostat in here, and it really never gets to the safe zone. So I don't know. I don't think it's cooling as much as it should. I've made adjustments to it, so I think I'm just going to swap it out. It doesn't look too difficult. Just need to make sure I get my measurements right. But that's one project. That's going to be a whole set of videos. Need to start cleaning up in here. That's the fold-out mattress that we use when we have an extra body camping. That can go inside. I don't see us using that for a while. So just coming in here and cleaning some stuff up. Everything needs to be spring cleaned. Windows, everything needs swept. Floor needs swept. Countertops need cleaned. It's all dusty. So that's stuff we need to do. In the back here, got the slide out back here, obviously. Come back here and clean up as well. Like I said, everything's been sealed up for the winter. Bathroom's in good shape. I come out here every once in a while and just make sure there's nothing obvious that needs tending to. But everything looks good here. So just a quick little video here that there's going to be a bunch of videos coming out as we start to get in the 2025 camping season. But looking forward to it. Thanks for sticking around. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. And on that note, we will see you on the next one, and many more videos to come.